friend to call from Costa Rica. Yeah, the place you've been the last 2 weeks. She said, I miss you, oh sweet boy. Will you calm down? I woke up to my cold sheets and the smell of New Jersey. When do I get to wake up to you? Tonight I can't forget that I've got these open wounds. It's such a drag. Just because you've gone. My ribs have parted ways. They said we're not going to protect this heart you have. Oh, hey, what can I do? Lungs are breathing open and my spleen is dripping from my pants. Oh, hey, what can I do? Left me in the cold and I miss you. You never told me it would be this hard. Think my body's saying so when you're not. It's got to go. It's leaving me, but I hope that you're okay. Even though I'm tired, hope that you're still trying to have a killer time. Go see the volcanoes, go see the rainforest. I'll be fine by myself, yeah, I'll be fine without these bones. Well, hey, what can I do? My lungs are breathing open and my spleen is dripping from my pants. Oh, hey, what can I do? Left me in the cold and I miss you. Oh, hey, yeah. Miss you.